Mohit Raina, I welcome you to India TV Digital.
Thank you, Devashi. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Mohit, starting off your first show, web series that is going into season 2, Bhokal, what do you want to tell us about this new season and your character, and how do you see things shaping up for the show?
Well, very well, Devashish. I mean, this is we started this Bhokal. The first season came in 2020. It was during the lockdown that the first season came on MX Player, and the kind of love and the response that came our way was really overwhelming, and it's a story of a IPS officer, of Mr. Sikera, son of comes from a very humble background, son of farmer. He goes on to uh, become study in IIT, goes on to become an IS officer, but decides to pursue IPS because he wants to selflessly, do something for the country, and he wants to do something for the people where he belongs to, So it's the story of courage, valor, grit, dedication, honesty, respect, love. It has everything. The kind of response that we got in season 1 was really, really overwhelming. So after that, I guess it took some time for the team to put in the story ahead for season 2, and now we are here with season 2 in a very different way, in a more, I would say, the thought uh, behind the series has changed. The aim has changed. The first season was the story was said in a very different way, but in season 2 the story is being said in a very different way. You know, it's more to do with the legacy of Mr. Sikera, the legacy of righteousness, the legacy of truth. What remains behind. So the second season is on those lines. It has a lot of action. The first season had Mr. Sikera fighting uh, with Shaukin gang. But in this season we have Data brothers against him. Who are there to kill him, to get rid of him. But he wants to eradicate crime. He wants his people to be in peace. The story is through that space, and I feel people will really enjoy it in this season, because it has a subtle message about kindness, goodness, and about being honest, and doing doing the right thing.
इंटरेस्टिंग मोहित आपने इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें बताई कैरेक्टर के बारे में एंड a lot of your work that you have done in TV and movies has been particularly associated with the characters that you have done. Say for instance the Lord Mahadev's character that you did a huge success. Then most recently the character you played in Amazon series Mumbai Diaries was also very human. So what about if you were to rank all the characters that you have done in the past, including the one you do in Bhokal, where do you see this character, standing like in the list of your favorites?
Oh, you mean if I have to give them a order?
Yeah, where would this character stand?
Oh, I think for me, this character will be at the top, because uniform is something that is ahead and beyond everything. So I think uniform has always been my weakness, and uniform is something which I'm always glued to. Whenever I see shows, जब मैं कुछ देखता हूँ टीवी पे या फिल्म में या OTT पे, मैं वो यूनिफॉर्म वाली चीजें देखना बहुत पसंद करता हूँ. So I guess मुझसे अगर पूछेंगे, so I will be more I won't be the right person to put it in order, because मैं तो यूनिफॉर्म को ही सबसे आगे रखूंगा.
मोहित, बहुत सारे लोगों को, आपके फैंस जितने भी हैं, उनको हमेशा ये शिकायत रहती है कि आप बाकियों के मुकाबले बहुत कम लिमिटेड काम कर रहे हैं, दे हैव टू वेट फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम टू सी यू इन अ वेब सीरीज और अ मूवी और अ टीवी। टीवी तो अब आप कर नहीं रहे हैं, मूवीज और वेब सीरीज में बहुत लंबा लंबा गैप आता है, आपको देख नहीं पा रहे जितना। तो इसके पीछे क्या रीजन है?
आई गेस इसके पीछे रीजन यही है कि मैं शुरू से ही कोशिश करता हूँ कि कुछ कुछ ऐसा करूं जो थोड़ा सा शायद अलग हो, या मे बी समथिंग दैट आई कैन रिलेट टू, और दैट आई वांट अ स्टोरी दैट आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ। आई गेस मेजरली एक यही रीजन है, बिकॉज आप आई थिंक it's very important for me to submit myself to the subject, or submit myself to the story, तो जब तक वो कहानी इतनी अच्छी ना लगे मुझे, या कुछ मैं उसका पार्ट नहीं बनना चाहता, सो आई थिंक वो चीज जब तक नहीं मिलती है तो आई डोंट गो फॉर इट. So maybe that's the reason they feel it, but I'm trying my best to improve. I'm trying my best to do more work.
इंटरेस्टिंग। सो मोहित, आप आपके शोज जो आप कर रहे हैं उसके अलावा ऐसे कौन से शोज या मूवीज हैं जो ओटीटी पे आपने देखी, आपको लगा कि ये रोल इज समथिंग दैट आई वुड हैव डन रियली गुड एट, और समथिंग सम वर्क ऑफ एन एक्टर ऑन ओटीटी दैट यू लाइक?
I'm not sure कि whether I could do better or I would like to be part of, but I would like to be a part of is, मैंने टब्बर देखा था, मुझे टब्बर बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने अभी सोनी लिव पे टब्बर देखा था, और वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा उस सीरीज का, बट एमएक्स प्ले पे एक सीरीज है विच इज, आई थिंक वो बेगम बेगम के नाम से है या समथिंग. it's about a lady who goes on to take revenge of the death of her husband. So I think वो एक मराठी महाराष्ट्रियन सीरीज है जिसे शायद डब करके हिंदी में एमएक्स प्ले पे ही टेलीकास्ट किया गया है, सो वो कहानी बहुत अच्छी थी, वो बहुत ज्यादा बेहतरीन कहानी है. So that is something that anybody and everyone should watch. And ऐसी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं, because OTT is there, so there's a lot of content to consume, there's a lot to watch. So yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, I'll try my best to do some good stuff.
मोहित, ओटीटी पे अमूमन ये देखा जाता है कि कुछ ऐसे शोज हैं जो दे गो इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ बोल्ड, quote unquote bold, and so keeping that in mind, what's your take on on screen intimacy? Would you want to do a show which has some intimate scenes, you doing intimate scenes?
See, it's a subject matter. I mean, it depends completely upon the subject, what the subject is, what the narrative is, what does the director and the producer or the writer, what do they want to convey, what is the thought process of the character, वो क्या करना चाह रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है. आई गेस इन सब चीजों पे डिपेंड करता है. Bold is just a tag or an adjective that we have given to something that we think in our head is bold. When you are flowing in the story, when you're watching something, those characters are doing something which is mentally affecting them, or which is they are going through. So there are a lot of emotions, or a lot of interconnected things that go in a character's head while being a part of a story. So if the director or the writer, they feel it's the part of the story and it's really important for the story to move ahead, then obviously it cannot be a no.
And you'll be comfortable doing such content if offered to you?
See, content is different now. The word content is a different thing. I'm talking about a particular sequence or a particular particular storyline which requires a person to mold himself into something. But when you say or use the word to content, then it becomes a subject matter. Like the subject in itself has that approach. Not that, but yes, if the sequence demands it or the story demands it, then of course yes.
Interesting. So, Mohit, last year I think you like your show completed 10 years, and it was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, like last year you also completed 15 years in the industry as well, uh, like starting the show
Correct.
Antariksh
Right,
2006-7.
right,
So,
right.
looking, yeah. So looking back, how do you think your journey has panned out?
Oh, it feels nice, yeah. Looking back, it feels nice. It feels fulfilling. It's when you look back where you started from and you look back and you think that you've come a long way. Obviously, there's a long way to go also, but one day at a time. The journey has been fruitful. God has been kind. Audience has given a lot of love. So with their respect towards their love, you just move ahead, you go on, but you keep your head on shoulder, and you, you take your journey ahead. So it should just keep moving. You should just your soul should be happy with the kind of work that you do. That's the most important part.
And गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, आगे की जर्नी जो आपकी हो कितने सालों की और होने वाली है इंडस्ट्री में, उसके लिए आपके क्या कोई प्लान्स हैं कि मैं आई वुड वांट टू डू मोर वर्क और सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ वर्क और सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ रोल्स दैट यू मस्ट हैव वांटेड टू डू, ऐसे कुछ प्लान्स हैं आपके?
Well, obviously there are a lot of subjects, lot of genres that I want to explore. मुझे तो acting करनी ही आती है. This is something that I really love from the core of my heart. This is something that I know how to do. So I think I will obviously try and entertain the people till the time I can. And yeah, there are a lot of genres that have to be explored. So OTT ने बहुत opportunity दी है, आगे भी different roles निभाने की opportunity मिलेगी. So I think that's how I expect the life to move on.
So talking about life, Mohit, you recently shared this very big news of related to your private life. You got married with this mystery woman that people are wondering who she is, and yeah. So, so please, if you would like to tell our fans and our readers about your love life and how did you meet this woman and who she is. So tell us something about like your courtship.
So it was a very small. It was a everybody should go through this part of life, as So it was just the next step that I had to take. So it was a very small, private, personal affair, and I was really happy to see the kind of response. I was very shocked, and I wasn't expecting that it would be accepted in such a way, without sounding humble, but yeah, I really wasn't expecting this, but I was very happy to see the kind of love people have for you. That's really overwhelming. You really feel that people have a lot of love towards you, so that's only gratifying, and that just pushes you to work harder to keep them happy.
Anything else that you would want to tell us about the like the lucky lady?
No, yeah, there's nothing else to mention about the lucky lady. She's like not from the entertainment business. She's from a tech background, and that's it. So yeah, I'm just enjoying this phase of life.
Okay, and do you think like your work, like your outlook towards work and your work life is going to change after this step in your private life?
I don't think so. I don't think how will my life is not my work professional life is not going to be affected by this. I think times are gone. Yeah, those were the times that people used to think that it might affect you. No, I don't think that those are the times now. I think the times have really changed. The audience has evolved. They know this is a job a person is doing. He's an actor. So that era of being dreamy or of being unrealistic has gone. This is about everybody knows, because social media has made life so accessible and so everybody can have a peek into your life, so it's all accessible out there. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything that it's going to affect anything. No, it won't.
Thanks a lot, Mohit, for talking to us. And
Thank you so much, Rishi. Thank you so much. Take care, Baba. Take care. Thank you.